Hello everyone, let's continue with algorithm. So today we'll discuss about the minimum cost spanning tree with for the weighted graph we can say minimum cost spanning tree, minimum cost spanning tree for weighted graph. Okay, so we'll discuss about the minimum cost spanning tree with weighted graph. Okay, so what will happen in this case? So there will be the graph like this one and weight also given in that graph. Weight for the edge is given, right? If weight is not given for the particular edge, by default it is 1. ठीक है, weight दिया मिलेगा, otherwise by default weight क्या मानेंगे, that will be 1 if it is not mentioned, right? So we can find out the minimum cost spanning tree. ठीक है, तो किसी भी ग्राफ की क्या कर सकते हैं, we can find out the minimum cost spanning tree using the Prim's and Kruskal algorithm, right? So using Prim's algorithm and second one we can say it is Kruskal algorithm. Kruskal algorithm, right? So these are the two algorithm by which we can find out the minimum cost spanning tree of the given graph with weighted graph. Okay, so is it clear to all? Okay, fine. So let's see this graph. Here this graph is given. Vertex 3, vertex 4 and vertex 5, right? These are the vertices given. Okay, and their weights are given as, here weight for this one it is 70, weight for this one 80, weight for this one is 10, and weight for this one it is 30, and for this one it is 50, and for this one it is 40, and for this one it is 60, weight for this one it is 20. Okay, so this is what a graph given and their weights are given, right? Now we'll apply the Kruskal algorithm here and find out the minimum spanning tree. Okay, so minimum cost spanning tree, we'll find out that one. Let's see. So we'll apply Kruskal algorithm. So what will happen in the Kruskal algorithm? So let's see. step number 1, take the first minimum. First minimum weight. First minimum weight as. Okay, so here first minimum weightage is this one, that 2 and 3, that is the minimum one. So vertex is 2 and vertex 3, whose weight is 10. Okay, so we have taken this one. After that we'll take the next minimum, right? So what should be the next minimum out of these? So next